Hello, and welcome to Multi-Crypto Exchange Platform. On behalf of Webcom Systems, I welcome you all to our exchange portal. Using our exchange, you can easily trade cryptocurrencies. Now, let's check out how to get started with our sign-up process. On top of our sign-up form, an option of referral code appears. As you all know, we have a referral system. So, first fill referral number here. However, this is an optional prerequisite and user can skip this in case he or she does not have any referral code. Now, fill in the other details like username, full name, email ID, mobile number. After filling all the necessary details, set a password and type again in confirmation box to avoid any typing errors. Then click in reCAPTCHA box. Select the right images as per the instruction and verify it. On successful verification, click on Sign Up button to move further. On successful sign up, our system sends a verification email on register email ID provided by the user. In case a user fails to receive the verification email or an unnecessary delay occurs, then he or she can also click on Resend option to request system to send verification email again. Now, on completion of successful verification process and activation of account, log in to start the process. After successful login, you are on Exchange portal. Now Exchange displays an option of Google 2FA verification on top and middle of the portal screen. This is added here as an added security feature. To move further, enable this feature using the option given. Just adjacent to the Google 2FA option and on the right hand side screen displays socket status. This actually displays the status of internet connectivity, that whether it is active or not. In case of any disconnection or disruption in the internet, it displays disconnection. Similarly, on the top and left hand side of Google 2FA option, a display box shows server time and date. Now just beneath this server time box, another box for placing order is displaying. It displays two options, limit and market. Let's first begin by choosing limit order option. Suppose we wish to sell BTC, then first we have to put in sell limit in respective box. Let's assume it is as 0.01. Now, if we will check the order book window, then we will find that selected selling price of the highest BTC is hovering around 31,410. After analyzing these, let's come back to place order window. Now, here set the value of selling price. For instance, let's put a higher value figure of 31,411. Then the values showing in order book window. Now, click on the red color sell button to move further. After this sell order confirmation pop-up comes on the screen. The pop-up screen shows all the values selected like market type, site, volume, limit, price, total price, etc. If all is fine, then click on confirm button to authenticate your sell order. Another pop-up appears displaying order added successfully. Clicking on OK button adds the order in the order book window. Now, sell order comes in the end of order book list. Now, coming back to the place order window, then it shows another option of market. The small ribbon at the top and middle of the screen shows a strip. You can check the last traded price displayed on the strip. Right now, it is displaying the figure of 31,410. Now, on selecting the market option, it displays two alternatives: buy and sell. The green and red color small boxes in the window displays the buying and selling price respectively. Now, suppose we wish to buy 1 BTC, then type 1 in buy alternative and click on the green button buy alternative. After this, pop-up to confirm the buying order appears on the screen. It displays all the details selected like market type, site, volume, type, price, total price. But if opposite orders are present in the order book, then it fails to take the new order. Therefore, first we need to cancel previous orders. In fact, Still, if we click on the confirm button, it opens another pop-up screen opposite order existing in the order book. Now, to cancel the previously existing orders, let's scroll down. Here an order history window comes displaying total open orders. Right now it is showing one open order. Let's click on cancel button to cancel this order. After cancellation of this order, now we can process by order. Now let's get back to order window. Place by order again and it will be added in order book. Coming to other functionalities, let's start with balances. Window displaying on the left hand side of screen. Now, top of this window displays TL, that stands for Turkish Lira. Next column shows the balance, like for instance, it is displaying a certain figure. Now, clicking on balance transfer, the whole balance in buy box of place order window. Here, the whole TR value automatically converts into BTC value. Again, click on buy button, opens the pop-up screen to confirm the order. Now, at the bottom of place order window, an option shows available BTC balance. A click on the available BTC figure transfers the whole amount in sell alternative of the window for immediate selling. Most exciting thing is that we all provide core wallet functionality for all currencies, thereby completely declining dependency on any third parties. Let's come to the right hand side of the screen. Here it displays markets window. This window shows all the markets details like price, volume, and percentage change. The last column in this window actually shows percentage change occurred in BTC or other currencies like Ethereum, OMG, Dash, and so on. Scrolling down and again coming back to order history, then it displays all the details of executed orders, open orders, and cancelled orders. Now, if we scroll down, this balances window shows a deposit button. A click on deposit button further opens another window of the deposit system. Here again, on the extreme right hand side of screen, another deposit option appears. A click on this further opens another window. Now let's understand this with an example and by taking 1000 as deposit amount. After filling remarks section, let's come to deposit code. It is a random code generated by Exchange which customers need to add in bank transfer remarks. After this, click on submit button for further action. On completion of process, Exchange shows a successful submission message on the top. After this, admin of Exchange checks, verifies the submission details, and if it finds all the details correct, it sends a notification. It also sends notification in case of any error or wrong submission. Coming back to previous window, deposit system, here click on the deposit button showing in the last column of BTC row opens another window. In this window, a confirm options comes to complete the process. Click on this confirm option, opens a QR code along with wallet address displaying under it. Scan this QR code to complete the transaction. Now scrolling down, the window shows BTC deposit records. Here all details like time, amount, confirmation, etc. can be checked. On completion of confirmation, process status is updated showing received. Similarly, as the deposit process, we can also check withdrawal process. For this, first select the withdrawal option from the top menu. This option withdrawal window, here click on the withdraw option displaying on the extreme right in TL row. Likewise, deposit process, here also another withdraw window opens up. Select the amount as per the requirement. For example, let's here take it as 1000. Just beneath the amount of the screen shows the total processing fee. Let's move further and check some other functionalities. Coming to your extreme right hand side, clicking on the user's name opens drop down menu. Now open the My Account option to check profile details. Here it shows user's KYC status. In this, KYC is already approved, but if it is not approved, user will not be able to deposit, withdraw and make any trade on exchange. So user has to fill details, upload ID and bank details before submission. On top, another option of login history comes. A click on this button opens all the login history details done previously using different browsers. The history details includes location, IP address, login time, and system details. This adds to the security of the exchange. Coming to another security procedure, suppose a user logs out and again logs in, then a verification email is forwarded for a second time. So fresh login every time means a fresh email, thereby adding in the security of the account. Exchange forwards such type of email on exchange a successful login. The email comprises of complete details like date, time, IP address, browser, and system details. User can contact support team and change password immediately and anytime if he or she finds any suspicious activity. So this is all about front of the exchange. Apart from this, we have full support panel also. A drop-down menu having support options comes on clicking the user name on top of your right-hand side. In case of any issue or problem, add new ticket by filling the query. Select department as per the specific query's nature. Option to check the status of ticket is also provided. On opening the status details, find points of previous chat can also be assessed. Coming back to drop-down menu opened in previous step, here an option of wallet comes. Click on this opens all details like fiat balance, BTC, ETH, OMG, LTC, etc. Again, another option of partnership model comes in drop-down menu. Click on this option and details of reference. User gets exclusive rewards on referring new users. So here it is easy to check income history and downline of referred users. The page shows no data in case user has not referred any new user. Our exchange panel is multi-language. However, currently it shows two options, English and Turkish. We have also added the option to use Google Translator. So that's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates about our admin panel. Thank you for watching.